Hello. It's been a long time. Come on, kid. Say hi. Okay, today we're cooking because we need to cook. You know, it's been a long time we haven't cooked. So today we're making rajas, the Poblano peppers. Let's take the poblanos and we're going to clean them. If you want, you can peel them like this gently, and then we're going to open the poblanos and we're going to take the seeds out. You can take just the entire thing and open it. Then in a minute, we're going to take all the seeds out. And a great idea is to wear a mask because the chiles are spicy and some of the fumes will get to your throat. So remember, you're going to clean the skin and take all what is inside. And wear a mask. It also helps you with the fumes because yes, they are spicy. After this, they are not going to be spicy. So that's how you clean the chiles, and it's a great idea to wear your mask. So, rajas, the Poblano peppers, are originated from Puebla, in which it reminds me another important person in my life, my little sister Rocio. She lives in Puebla. Poblano peppers are spicy, but not too much. And if you take all the seeds and the veins, they will be mild. It will be like a vegetable flavor, but with a little kick. Now, the only seasonings that we're going to use is Maldon salt, smoke, and this other salt that I love, that my daughter Jimena gave me, is a French salt. So we're going to use it to season this dish. So, well, I guess this will be like 2 teaspoons. And like my grandma said, en nombre del Padre, del Hijo, del Espíritu Santo, Amen. And this food will bless everyone that eats it. Another friend that makes me make this dish is one of my Puerto Rican friends that loves this dish, even though in Puerto Rico they don't have poblano peppers. But one day she tasted it and she is one of her favorites. For her birthday, I always try to make her this dish. So after onions and poblano peppers are combined with the olive oil and the salt and the garlic, we're going to just add. You can use these kind of cream. This one is a sweet cream, media crema, or you can use sour cream or any cream that you like. You can use 3 of these will make 2 cups. And also it depends of your how many poblanos are you using. I am using 16 poblano peppers. So I don't know in pounds or kilos how that will be, but for 16 poblano peppers, 4 onions, and I will use 2 cups of the sweet cream. And this is how it looks. This dish is just amazing. The tasting. You can eat it by itself, or you can eat it in a taco with a corn tortilla. So what makes me cook is to please the important people in my life, and our family and friends, and also to give me something to occupy my brain when we have these days that we are just overwhelmed with news and overwhelmed with life. I have faith, like in cooking, when you put all the ingredients together and you put your heart and your love and you think about your loved ones, everything will be okay, because we will feed our soul, we will feed our heart, and we will feed our family and friends. I'm thinking about you, and I wish you the best in this new 2022, and it will be great. I promise. 2021 was good, but with some bumps on the road that we're trying to get better. I think what we're humans we need to do is love more each other, respect each other, and wish the best for everyone. Forgive, love, and be kind. So after your dish is done, after it boils like for 10-15 minutes, you just add fresh cheese, and you will serve your rajas de poblano pepper. So this is a taquito de poblano rajas. It brings so much memories and so many delicious thoughts. Enjoy. Bye. Come on. Okay, come on. Dogs do not eat poblano rajas, but humans we do, and we love them. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm.